It's such a beautiful thing being at sea every day and knowing that being in a renewable environment, I am going to be making a bit of a difference.
My career has come such a long way from the start and I've still got so many opportunities.
I'm Megan and I'm a travelling offshore service technician.
So my name's Yasmine and I'm a field service technician.
Me and Jazz know each other because we met here at site 2 years ago. I'm now coming out of my apprenticeship. I'm in my 4th and final year. Such a good culture of people to work with. You just feel so inspired by all the different people.
What inspired me was growing up with my granddad, was hearing all the stories about what he did offshore and, you know, how he fixed things and how they worked.
The training that Siemens Gamesa provides is absolutely brilliant. It's completely continuous. Getting paid to learn was a great way to go about it as well. My job after I finish my qualifications will be a team lead for service, so I'll have my own full team, I'll be in control of the turbine.
A typical day for a technician at Siemens Gamesa is normally us having a morning brief. We crane all of our equipment, we make sure that we've got everything we need on our vessels, but essentially there's so many different processes within that day, and then we'll either be carrying out maintenance or we'll be carrying out troubleshooting.
I think the thing that surprised me the most was the acceptance. I think I was expecting a bit of pushback being a young woman, but it's been the complete opposite.
We really thrive for our zero harm policy. I love that our main goal is to make sure that people come to work safe and then go home safe. The work-life balance at Siemens Gamesa is fantastic. For example, you could be a travel technician who works away from home 2 weeks at a time and then has 2 weeks off, or you can be a site-based technician who works a different shift pattern. So it just depends on what fit you need for your life. I think it's really important to me to know that I'm doing a little bit to help secure a greener future for younger generations to come.
If I could speak to 19-year-old me, she would be baffled in just how much of a different person I am in a positive way.
My favourite part of the day is restarting the turbine at the end of it. It makes me feel like, yeah, we've done a good job here, we're good, let's go home.